couple things. I'm going to the Benson Bonne concert this weekend, this next coming weekend. I don't know why I started talking with an accent. Anyways, this is the outfit. Do you guys think I look good? I mean, I'll probably, well, I don't know. Does he have ear piercings? I'm not sure, but this is the fit. Anyways, I wanted to get on here and give you a review dressed as Benson Bonne. So, that's just what we're doing. So I got these new Maui hard seltzers, okay? They are dragon fruit POG, which, oh, it's POG. It means passion fruit, orange, and guava. I didn't know that. And then hibiscus lime and the lychee, or however the fuck you say that. I don't know. But they are 5% alcohol, you know? So we're gonna give her a try. Alright? I hate it. I fucking hate it. Tastes like seltzer water. I can barely move my top lip. Yeah, fuck. I don't really like it. I can barely. It literally tastes like seltzer water with a little hint of this fucking fruit. I say it wrong every time, so I'm not gonna even try. Luke's, I don't know. I don't know. I was really excited. I was really excited for these. I don't know, should I keep the glasses on? Or no glasses? I don't know. His vibe is very different, so I don't know. Well, let me try the other flavors. Alright, this one's the POG, the passion fruit, orange, and guava. That one's worse. I taste none of the flavors. A little bit of passion fruit.